So check it out. I wanted to feature a couple more locomotives that I added to the roster, a couple more Lionel steamers. So I was going to make 2 short videos, but decided to combine it and make one long one. This one came from the spare parts. It's got a 2018 motor, 2036 shell. It's kind of a hybrid. The 2036 didn't come with a smoke unit, so there's no casting for it in the steam chest, but the 2018 motor does have one. So I just left the actuator part off of it, and it just has the top part. So maybe later on, if I find a nice 2018 shell, I'll put that motor in it. But for now, I'll leave it in this one. And this one had been through a fire. The roof of the cab is a little bit warped, and you can see there's some rough areas and some bubbling from where the heat kind of damaged the casting. But I brushed on some flat black, I brushed on some silver, and then I clear coated it with some gloss testers clear coat. I put a new headlight lens in it and cleaned up the motor, put new brushes in it, and got it all lubricated. So we'll start with that one. We'll take it for a spin. We got a rail sounds tender hooked up to it. So here we go. Oh, one more thing. I renumbered it because the numbers had been burned off, so I used my birth year. That you can always do that in a pinch. So here we go. For not having magnet traction, this motor still pulls really good. You certainly pull a long enough train, I think, to make anybody happy. And if I come across a nice 2018 shell, I'll put that motor in that. Pick the camera up this time by. There we go. You can see it's pulling a pretty nice train. Love those rail sounds tender, and the neat thing about them is they're not tethered to the locomotive, so you can hook them up to any locomotive, and they work great with these post-war. They really give them new life. So anytime I can find one at a reasonable price that I can fix up, take a chance on it, I will. Also the train sounds tenders too. I like the rail sounds one better because they have a better chuffing to them. But either one is good. And we'll set the camera back down this time. Alright, you can see the element works in that smoke unit. You can see a little bit of smoke rolling out of it. And what's great about this is I can use it for train shows and things, and don't have to worry about the little kids doing a whole lot of damage because they don't have a lot invested in it. And it's a good runner, so we'll take that one out of the way for now. And the one that I really excited about and really want to feature is I picked up a 2046 Hudson. Let me get it hooked up to the track, to the tender here. There we go. Just give me a second. And make sure everything's on the track. Push it back here so we can show it to you. I'm really happy to get this one. The handrails were pretty rough on it. I was able to straighten them out really nice, though, I think. And of course, the boilerplate had a broken marker light, so I bought a new one from Trains, a reproduction one. And also got the rods all cleaned up nice. And so this one's got new brushes in it, so it should be ready to go. I had to put a few things in it. I had to also put a new smoke unit element in it, so I put one of the ones that are designed for using liquid smoke, so it smokes really great. So we're going to take this for a spin. I love these 2046, 2055, 2056. The big Hudsons. They're big. They're I know they're not quite as big as the scale one that they made, but I got this for $48. Try buying. I don't think you could buy a wheel off for one of those scale ones for that. So you can still get them for a reasonable price that anyone can afford, and if you don't mind doing a little tinkering, you usually get them to run pretty good. So we'll take this for a spin. Here we go. And we can't wait for the yard master, so here we go. You see the smoke unit works really good. The smoke just pours out of the thing. And it's got magnet traction, so it's a good puller. It would be even without it, though. It's amazing. They still pull really good. So it should look really good pulling my New York Central passenger cars that I'll be running. Eldridge Park is still going to have their show July 12th, so we'll be all set for that. And I'll have this locomotive there. And we'll pick the camera up this time by and follow it around. See, the smoke just pours right out of it. And now we'll set the camera back down. All right, it runs great, smokes like a fiend. I love it. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.